Yeah, dear students, today we start chapter second, software reliability. So here, first of all, this is the link. You can see the details in these links also. HTTPS www.guru99.com /reliabilitytesting.html. Okay. So what is actually software reliability? Reliability means what? What is reliability? Reliability means assurance given by the company to the customer that the particular product will executed or run properly without any fault up to some particular period of time. So this is a reliability. This reliability will given by the software developer company to the customer. If, for example, suppose the particular PC, if suppose one PC is there, this PC, it is the reliability given by the particular manufacturer of the PC, that this PC can be run successfully without any problem till up to 9 to 12 hours per day. So this is what, this is a reliability given by the manufacturer company to the customer. So similarly, in any product which are going to develop by the company, at the time of agreement, the company can give the reliability of the product, that our product will run successfully for some particular period of time. And if suppose in between that period, if suppose the product can fail, so at that time it is the responsibility of the pro, uh, product manufacturer to recover and remove all the defects and faults from that product. So this reliability is a very much important issue in the software testing and quality assurance part. So what is reliability testing? It is a software testing that checks whether the software can perform a failure free operation for a specific period of time in a particular environment. Means this is a reliability testing, that it is a system testing that checks whether the software can perform a failure free operation. Failure free operation means what? Ki the performance is without error free, means error free, it is a error free, and also it cannot have any defects and problems during the execution. And these works for a specific period of time, that is, it may be up to some particular years, for example 10 year, 20 year, for example. So this is a specific period your product will be successfully executed without failure in a particular environment also. So this is a definition of reliability testing. Your software testing, it is a software testing that checks whether the software can perform a failure free operation for a specific period of time in a particular environment. So this reliability means, it is, in other terms, the word reliable means something is dependable and that it will give the same outcome every time. Means, for example, one program is there or one product is there, so what is the output of that product? That output must be same for a particular period of time. It does not change at all. The same is true for reliability testing. Reliability testing in a software assures that the product is fault free and is reliable for the intended purpose. Means your product must be fault free and it will be executed up to some particular period of time. So this reliability will be given by the product designer or manufacturer. Okay. Now reliability testing, what is, हे आपण आता already सांगितलंय की the probability that a PC is in store is running for 8 hours without crashing is 99%. So this 99% is what? It is the reliability given by the manufacturer of that PC. And this reliability is given to the customers. Reliability, under this particular topic, we will discuss what is reliability testing, what is the example of testing, reliability testing, then what are the factors influencing software reliability, why do reliability testing, types of reliability testing, how to do reliability testing, and examples, method of reliability testing, and last one is the tools used during the testing of a product. That is reliability testing tools. So here a reliability testing can be categorized into three segments. Means complete process can be divided into three different segments. These are the modeling, measurement, and improvement. Modeling means prior. What is modeling of the product? Modeling means prior to the developing of that product, you can just first design that product. So reliability can also consider at the time of modeling. We are going to model such type of products. So what are the different causes of failures, faults, defects? So that can be considered prior to the designing. Then measurement means what? After designing, whenever you are convert this designing part into the coding. So at that time again, this issue should be considered. This is called at the time of measurement. And third one is improvement, means after implementation of that product, if some faults and failures are arises, so this company can give the can improve or can remove that bugs, defects, and errors in your projects. So total reliability testing can be categorized into these three segments: modeling, measurement, and improvement. So generally a mathematical formula for calculation of reliability failure means how means it is a general formula which can be used for calculated the probability of failure of your product. So this probability is what? The total number of failure cases divided by the total number of cases under consideration. Means under consideration means prior to the designing, at the time of designing. Some cases we have already considered की या particular software project मध्ये एवढे एवढे problems येऊ शकतात, which we have already considered. But at the time of implementation, if the number of other failure cases will arise, so these failure cases divided by total number of cases under consideration, this can calculate the probability of your failure. So this is a simple formula which can be used at the time of reliability consideration. Got it? Now next, factors influencing reliability, software reliability. Means what are the different factors, what are the different areas which can leads to a reliability. So this one is first, the number of faults present in a software. Means your software can be validate and verification is done, and after that it will be comes that the particular number of faults are arises in your software. So these total faults can influence the software reliability. Second, the way of users operate the system. The way users operate the system is how the user can operate the system. So this can again a factor which can influence your software reliability. Then third one, reliability testing is one of the key to better software quality. This testing helps discover many problems in the software design and functionality. Means reliability testing itself is a process which can discover all the faults, defects, some logical faults, your syntactical faults. These all can be identified, and it can change your software reliability part. The main purpose of reliability testing is to check whether the software meets the requirement of the customer's reliability. Means whatever the customer's satisfaction, your software must satisfy the customer satisfaction. Means whatever be the outcome of our product, that can accepted completely by the customer. So if these two factors can match, means your software can according to the customer satisfaction. Then reliability testing will be performed at several levels. Complex system will be tested at unit, assembly, subsystem, and system levels. Means we know that your complete software is a very big task. Means in order to make one project, there are lot of different small modules and units are there. So it is not necessary that reliability testing can perform in a single step. It is not so. Your reliability can perform by a different levels. So these levels are, you know that this testing is what? Your unit testing, then your stress testing, then integration testing, functional testing, and at last a complete system level testing. So similarly, in different steps, your software can be tested for a reliability. So these are the factors affecting your reliability testing.